Romondt spent countless hours in labs and long nights studying to become a biochemist. That hard work paid off. The 44-year-old made it big as a senior scientist at Merka Pharmaceuticals. But investigators say when he wasn't doing his day job, he used his talents to make drugs inside his Springfield, New Jersey home.
Different hours of the night, it's been like a revolving door. And that's not this type of community.
This is art, Mr. White.
Actually, it's just basic chemistry.
Rommondt's neighbors compare it to the hit TV show Breaking Bad. It's about a struggling high school science teacher who uses his expertise to produce and sell drugs. Romondt got caught allegedly receiving a large delivery to his condo through the U.S. mail. Inside the package, the chemical commonly used to synthesize the club drug, GHB.
It's using good skills and good knowledge to do something bad. It's like that awful TV show. Is that Breaking Bad, I think? Yeah. I know, it's sort of, you think that's on TV, and here it is in our little neighborhood.
Neighbors snapped photos of police in their quiet neighborhood Thursday afternoon seizing drugs, a scale, and materials used to produce and process the date rape drug.
I'm mortified. I'm shocked. To throw it all away? A date rape drug? Are you kidding me? He's smarter than that.
Romondt faces up to 20 years in prison if convicted on the more serious charges. He's being held on $200,000 bail at the Union County Jail. In Springfield, I'm Carolina Lead, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.